Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the surface and gathering your tools. The Canadian eraser, a clean cloth, water, and a small bowl. Wet the eraser lightly. You want damp, not dripping. Once damp, test on an inconspicuous spot to ensure no finish lifts or discoloration. Then, with light pressure, stroke in the direction of the material's grain. This first pass removes surface grime and reveals whether deeper action will be needed, so pay close attention to how the finish responds. Once you see remaining marks, concentrate on those areas using moderate controlled pressure. Avoid pressing hard across the whole piece. Make short overlapping strokes. This directs abrasive action and reduces streaking. If the eraser clogs, scrape off residue with your finger or a soft brush and rinse it under water, then redampen. For stubborn spots, lift debris between passes rather than increasing pressure. This preserves the surface. Make sure to change the exposed eraser face. To finish, wipe the area with a damp cloth to remove any eraser particles, then dry completely and inspect under good lighting. If you miss small spots, reapply the eraser briefly with light pressure. If the finish appears dulled, stop and switch to a gentler method like a mild polish. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see discoloration or surface damage, cease use immediately and consult a professional, or test a less abrasive product on a hidden area before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.